Hey everyone, Fortitude introduces peak performance, powered by MEI, because what you want isn't more resumes, it's real traction. You want performance? Stop waiting to hire it, start building it. You've tried hiring ready made talent, but it's not solving the problem. There's low accountability, no clear path forward, just more turnover and more frustration. And here's the thing, if you're waiting until you need someone, you're already behind. That conveyor belt of bad fit hires, it's just going to keep spinning. That's why you need to start building your pipeline today. The peak hiring system, powered by MEI. It puts you back in control. The peak system flips the script. You build from the inside with structure. Merit. People earn advancement by delivering results. Excellence. Your teams get trained, tested, and coached. Initiative. Your crew adds value beyond job titles. We've outsourced trust to HR systems that were built to protect, not perform. Box checking replaced leadership. But that doesn't work in the field or in your shop. Take control, lead the team, build the culture, let HR handle the paperwork. If you're ready to stop chasing warm bodies and start building a real team, schedule your fast track call today. We'll show you how to put the peak hiring system to work in your shop. More bang, less grind. Download the link in the comments below.